Noma?
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So your doubt is question number 12th. The sum of first three terms. Let the terms be A by R, and AR, where A is the first term. A is the first term. And R be the common ratio. R be the common ratio. Okay, so as per the question, the sum of first three terms of a GP, the sum of first three terms, A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 39 by 10. And the product is 1. So A by R into A into AR is equal to 1. So R will cancel out. We will get A cube, which is equal to 1. And from this, we will get A is equal to 1. Let this be 1. Okay. Then put A is equal to 1 in first. So this will gives you 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. So this is R. So 1 plus R square is equal to 39 by 10. Cross multiply this. So you will get 10 plus 10R plus 10R square is equal to 39R. So this is 10R square. We'll shift this. This will become minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. So we'll factorize this. 10 square okay, take common 5R so this will gives you 2 by 5 and 5 by 2. Okay, Sparsha Noma, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note down this.
सर तो फिर इसमें 2 जीपी बनेंगे ना?
G Noma, 2 GP will be formed in this.
Okay, sir.
Please let me know once you complete this.
Done.
Okay, very good. So Sparsha Noma, can you tell me what is a GP in this case?
Sir, when we take R is equal to 5 by 2, the GP will be 2 by 5, comma 1, comma 5 by 2.
Very good. Find the next one.
And sir, when R is equal to 2 by 5, GP will be 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5.
Okay, very good. Sparsh, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Good. So please write the complete answer and share your next doubt.
Sir, question number 7 and 8.
7 and 8. Okay. 7th and 8th. Okay, just give me a minute. Spish, what is the doubt in this? Find the sum to indicated term of the term in each of the GP. So you need to find the sum. हमने किया था last class में formula of sum. Spish, in case of a GP, what is the formula of sum? Sn is equal to, what is the formula?
सर सम का फॉर्मूला r के पावर a इन ब्रैकेट में r के पावर n -1 अपॉन में r -1.
R minus 1. So in this one, we have this sequence, this first term. This
सर मैंने ये
second.
आधा कर लिया था, मेरा वहां तक आ गया था 0.5 ब्रैकेट में 1 - 0.1 पावर 20 अपॉन
so
0.9.
what is R? 0.015 by 0.15. Okay. So what is the answer? 0.1.
यस सर.
So Sn is equal to 0.15 into 0.1 to 20 minus 1 by 0.1 minus 1.
सर 0.15 के अपॉन में भी 0.9 है.
जी स्पर्श.
सर 0.15 के अपॉन में 0.9 भी तो आएगा.
ये आ गया ना हमारे पास. ए हमने पुट किया Rn minus 1 by R minus 1.
यस सर.
So in this case इसको हम subtract कर देते हैं. ठीक है, नेगेटिव कॉमन लेके इसको शिफ्ट करते हैं. So this will give us, इसको लिख देते हैं 15 by 100. इसको लिखते हैं 1 minus 0.1. ठीक है, नेगेटिव यहाँ भी कॉमन लिया, यहाँ भी नेगेटिव कॉमन लेते हैं. So 1 minus 0.1. So ज़्यादा ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा. This will give you 15 by 100.
सर मेरा यहाँ तक हो गया था जहाँ तक अभी तक आपने किया.
ओके ओके, फिर ये कंप्लीट सॉल्व नहीं होगा ना, इतनी कंप्लीट वैल्यू हम फाइंड नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. सो दिस विल कैंसिल आउट. उसको हम लिख देंगे Sn is equal to 15 by 10 into 9 into 1 minus 0.1, 20. Okay, so this 5 3 5 2 3 3. So 1 by 6 to the power 1 minus 0.1 to the power 20. Okay, Swish. फिर फर्दर हम सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे.
ओके सर.
ओके, सो 8 में भी ऐसे ही करना है, वो भी कंप्लीट सॉल्व नहीं होगा.
ओके सर.
ओके ओके, एनी अदर डाउट?
यस सर, मुझे था. सर हमारी टीचर ने सम ऑफ अ जीपी के दो फॉर्मूले करवाए. एक तो सर वाला फॉर्मूला जो आपने लिखवाया उसमें है कंडीशन r इज ग्रेटर देन 1. एंड सर एक और फॉर्मूला है a into 1 minus r is less than 1.
ओके, एक्चुअली
यस सर, हमें भी यही तो कराए हैं.
हाँ, both the formulas are same. ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं क्या है फॉर्मूले में. फर्स्ट वी हैव दिस. ठीक है, वी हैव डन दिस फॉर्मूला. नाउ टेक अ नेगेटिव कॉमन फ्रॉम द न्यूमरेटर. So a into minus 1, take common 1 minus r in, and take negative common from the denominator 1 minus r. This will cancel out. So Sn is equal to a into, we get this formula. Spersianoma, this correct? So
Yes,
what
sir.
happened when this r is less than 1? Okay, I'm taking a break of 2 minutes.
ओके सर.
Okay, so Spush and Noma, both the formulas are same. So from this formula, we get this one. So in this case, suppose okay, in this case, suppose R is less than 1, then R to the power n minus 1 is what? Negative or positive? Spush and Noma.
Yes, sir.
If R is negative, okay. Oh, sorry, R is less than 1. If R is less than 1, then this R to the power n minus 1. This is what? This is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Okay, if R is less than 1, then this R to the power n minus 1 is negative because this will be less than 1. And similarly, denominator is also negative. That's why in some books, they give two different formulas for this. That for R is greater than 1, use this one. For R is less than 1, use this formula. But we don't need to remember two formulas. So for example, in this case, this part is less than 1. So what we have done in the numerator, we have taken a negative common. And in the denominator, we have taken negative common that cancel out. And we get this 1 minus 0.1 to the power 20. So we have done this question from the first formula. Now, from the second formula, if we will do this question, then what is the formula? Formula is Sn is equal to A, 1 minus R to the power n, 1 minus R. So Sn is equal to, what is A? 0.15, 1 minus, what was R? 0.1 to the power 20 by 1 minus 0.1. Okay, so this step, this will directly comes when we will use this formula. But these two formulas are same. These are not a different formulas. We have just taken a negative from the numerator and the denominator. Okay, Spush and Noma,
Okay,
this clear?
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is your choice. If you are using this formula, well and good, you will get a positive answer. But in this, if you will use this formula, then in the numerator you will get a negative, in the denominator you will get a negative, and then finally that will cancel out and you will again get the same pattern. So this is completely your choice. If you wish, you can remember two formulas, or you can just remember a single formula, just put the value. If these two are negative, then they will automatically get cancelled out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what's the next doubt?
सर
G.
तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस में आर अननोन होता है तो फिर सर हम आर लेस देन 1 लेंगे या फिर ग्रेटर देन 1
हम are less than if sum is given.
नो सर कुछ क्वेश्चंस में आर अननोन होता है तो फिर सर हम आर ग्रेटर देन 1
हम
लेंगे
कुछ भी नहीं लेंगे, नोमा हम आर ही लेट करेंगे. ठीक है, उसका जो रिजल्ट होगा वो हमें मिल जाएगा.
नो सर अगर हमें सम का फॉर्मूला लगाना है तो
सम का फॉर्मूला आपको अगर यूज करना है, आई विल रिकमेंड यू जस्ट यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी, आंसर विल मैच. ठीक है.
ओके सर आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 का डाउट था.
Question number 14. The sum of first three term of a GP is this, and the sum of the next three term is this. Determine the first term and the common ratio in the sum to enter. Okay, this is a very good question. Question number 14.
आपने लिखा है सम ऑफ द नेक्स्ट थ्री टर्म इज 128 तो फिर सर यहाँ पे हम s6 इज इक्वल टू 128 लेंगे.
नहीं. Let the first term be A. Let the first term be A, and common ratio be R. Okay, let the first term be A and common ratio be R. So sum of the first three terms. So first three terms are what? First term, or we can write like this. A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to AR, A3 is equal to AR square, A4 is equal to AR cube, A5 is equal to AR to the power 4, and A6 is equal to AR to the power 5. The sum of first three term of a GP is 16. First three term A1, A2, A3 is equal to 16. So this is A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 16. and the sum of the next three term is 128. Next three terms means a4.
सर इसमें से हम a कॉमन नहीं लेंगे?
बिल्कुल लेंगे, अभी करते हैं इसको सॉल्व. Next three terms means this, and this is equal to 128. So this means AR cube, AR4, AR to the power 5, this is equal to 128. Let this be second. So from first term क्या कर सकते हैं? We can take a common, so we'll get 1 plus r square is equal to 16. Okay, so we'll say that this is the first term, and from this क्या common आ सकते हैं?
सर ar cube.
AR cube, very good. So this will give us 1 plus r square is equal to 1 to 8. This is second term. Okay, so what we'll do, we will divide 2 by 1. So this will give us AR cube 1 plus r square is equal to 1 to 8 by a into 1 plus r square is equal to 16. Okay, so this a will cancel out, this will cancel out, cancel this 4.
सर 8 आएगा आंसर.
So r cube is equal to 8. Then what is the value of r?
सर 2.
Very good. R is equal to 2. Okay. Now we can put this value of r in any of the equation. You can put in the first equation, you will get the value of a. Okay, Noma, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down, and the remaining part you can do on your own.
सर यहाँ पे हम सम का फॉर्मूला भी तो लगा सकते हैं ना?
हम S3 तो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं from this. S6 से अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. What does S6 means? Sum of first to 6 terms. S6 means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6. But उस question में उसने क्या कहा? Sum of the next three terms. Next three terms means A4, A5, A6. The sum of A4, A5, A6.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So please note down this and share your next doubt. Namra, आपने late join किया. Our class was from 5:30. So homework हो गया है Namra? Namra, you are on mute. अगर आप कुछ कह रहे हैं.
यस सर, वो आपने क्या कहा?
होमवर्क हो गया था?
यस सर, थोड़ा रह गया था.
Okay, okay. Okay, if you have any doubt in sequence and series, then you can share that. इसके बाद any other doubt?
नो सर, मुझे स्ट्रेट लाइन में डाउट था.
Okay, okay, okay. Namra, any doubt in exercise 9.3?
नो सर.
No. Okay, okay. Sparsh, straight line में doubts?
सर मेरा इस वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा.
Which one?
सर 14th.
14th. क्या आंसर आ रहा है स्पर्श?
16/7 and into में 2 की पावर n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1.
Okay, फर्स्ट टर्म आपके पास आ गया 16/7.
यस सर.
Okay, कॉमन रेशियो भी आ गया, पे तो ठीक है. कौन सा मैच नहीं हो रहा?
सर पीछे फर्स्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है, r दिया हुआ है और साथ में 16/7 ब्रैकेट में 2n minus 1 दिया हुआ है. मेरा उसके बाद अपॉन में 2 minus 1 आ रहा है सर.
फर्स्ट टर्म आपका मैच हो गया, आपका कॉमन रेशियो मैच हो गया, आपका बस सम मैच नहीं हो रहा है ना?
यस सर.
ठीक है, चेक करते हैं. So Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, so your first term is 16/7. This is 2 raised power n minus 1 by this is 2 minus 1. ठीक है स्पर्श?
यस सर.
So यही आंसर है. प्लीज चेक कीजिए. स्पर्श बैक साइड चेक कीजिए, यही आंसर है.
सर मेरी बुक में अपॉन में 4 दिया हुआ है.
अच्छा वो मिसप्रिंट है इस पर. Okay, this is the answer.
ओके सर.
फिर स्ट्रेट लाइन में डाउट्स हैं. ओके चेक दिस. स्पर्श स्ट्रेट लाइंस में डाउट है.
नो सर.
ओके ओके. नोमा प्लीज शेयर योर डाउट्स.
Yes, miscellaneous question number 30.
Question number 13, 1-3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 13 is show that the equation of the line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line, this is this one. 13 question.
सर मैंने इससे आधा सॉल्व कर लिया था. सर मैंने tan थीटा का फॉर्मूला लगा के प्लस माइनस को सॉल्व कर लिया था. उसके बाद नहीं हो रहा.
Okay.
जी m1 की 2 वैल्यूज आ गई थी.
Okay. Show that the equation of the line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with a line y is equal to mx plus c is y by x is equal to m plus minus tan this theta है ना, by 1 minus plus m tan theta. So we need to find the equation of a line which is passing through the origin and making angle theta with the line this one. So we need to find this equation of this line is passing through the origin and making angle theta with the line. Suppose this is the next line. We need to find the equation of this line L. L1 is giving the angle between these two lines is theta and this origin is given. Okay, so this line L1 is this one, y is equal to mx plus c. So Noma, can you tell me what is the slope of this line?
M.
Slope is m. Okay. Now, what is the angle between these two? Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, modulus of this. So tan theta is m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Now, whenever we will remove this modulus, we will get a positive and negative sign. m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. But before that, we need to let the slope of the required line. ठीक है, हमें जिस लाइन की इक्वेशन फाइंड करनी है, let the slope of required line is m2. ठीक है, so we will put all these values.
तो मैंने प्लस माइनस राइट हैंड साइड पे लिया है.
आपने राइट हैंड साइड पे लिया है. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद क्या किया आपने?
सर मैंने m2 इज इक्वल टू m ले लिया एंड सर मैंने प्लस माइनस के लिए सॉल्व कर दिया तो मेरी m1 की 2 वैल्यूज आई.
अब जब आप यहाँ प्लस माइनस लेंगे ना तो हमारी कैलकुलेशन इंक्रीज हो जाती है. दैट्स करेक्ट. यहाँ लेना भी ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन इंक्रीज होती है क्योंकि यहाँ 2 टर्म्स हैं. अब सपोज आफ्टर आउटसाइड दिस ब्रैकेट हमने नेगेटिव लिया, ठीक है, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस है. In one equation we will take a positive sign, in the second equation we will take a negative sign. So suppose हमने यहाँ negative लिया, so ये फिर bracket open होगा, this become negative and this become positive. Okay, so हमारी calculation increase हो जाती है जब हम right side में positive and negative लेते हैं. ठीक है,
सर मैंने तो सॉल्व कर लिया.
आपने कर लिया, calculation थोड़ी सी increase हो जाएगी. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
अब ठीक है, अब यहाँ हम values put कर देते हैं. Plus minus tan theta. This is equal to m2 minus m by 1 plus m into m2. Okay, shift this to the right side. So this will give you plus minus tan theta. And this is 1 plus m into m2. And this is m2 minus m. So open this bracket, plus minus tan theta, okay, into 1 plus m into m2 plus minus tan theta. This is equal to m2 minus m. So keep this plus minus tan theta over here, and we need the value of m2. Shift this m to this side, plus m, and shift this to the right side. So when we will shift this to the right side, this become minus m into m2 and plus minus tan theta, and this is plus m2. So this is plus minus tan theta plus m is equal to, now take m2 common from here, so you will get this m2 minus m, and this is plus minus tan theta plus 1. Now shift, okay, now this is a negative, okay, minus m into this remain, we can write this as m plus minus tan theta, okay. इसको हमने first लिख दिया, इसको हमने बाद में लिख दिया. Now in this one there's a negative outside this, so when we will multiply this negative, then what happens, this will become, this positive sign become negative and this negative become positive. Plus 1. So you will get m2 is equal to, okay, m plus minus tan theta by, this can be written as 1 minus plus tan theta. Okay, Noma, this clear?
Yes, sir.
अब clear वो क्वेश्चन में प्लस माइनस न्यूमरेटर में क्यों है एंड डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस प्लस क्यों है, और हम, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. तो फिर सर इसके आगे क्या करना है?
और हमने यहाँ कुछ मिस कर दिया ना, दिस इज m. This is m into tan theta. So ये हमारे पास स्लोप आ गया. What we need to find? नोमा फाइंड क्या करना है हमें?
सर हमें इसमें प्रूव करना है y by x is equal to m plus.
Show that the equation of the line. Okay, हमें equation find करनी है. Slope हमें मिल गया. What more we need to find the equation of a line? हमें एक point चाहिए ना. So y minus y1 is equal to, equation क्या होता है? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So in the question it is given that the line is passing through the origin. Okay, so in place of x1 and y1 we can write line is passing through origin. Okay, so this will give us y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0. This is equal to y is equal to, what is m? M is this one, m plus minus theta by 1 minus plus m tan theta into x. Now we can shift this x to the left side. We will get y by x is equal to m plus minus tan theta by 1 minus plus m tan theta. Okay, Noma?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt in a straight line?
सर यहाँ पे हम y is equal to m into x नहीं ले सकते थे सर यहाँ पे, क्योंकि c इंटरसेप्ट तो 0 है.
आप इसकी बात करें, y is equal to mx plus c.
यस सर, यहाँ पे c तो 0 है क्योंकि लाइन ओरिजिन से पास कर रही है.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं. That will also give you the same answer.
ओके सर.
Okay.
एंड सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में मैंने सॉल्व भी कर लिया, आंसर भी आ गया, बट सर मैंने यहाँ पे अज्यूम किया है कि इसमें पॉइंट, मैंने रेशियो को केस टू 1 लिया है.
Very good. Ratio case to 1 ही लेते हैं, so that we have a single variable. Good.
तो फिर सर केस टू वन क्यों लेते हैं सर, एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए।
Okay, case 2 1 क्यों लेते हैं? Suppose we have this line and this point is x1 comma y1, this point is x2 comma y2, and this is the point. Let this be a, this is b, and this is c. This is x comma y. Okay, at this point c, divide this ab in the ratio of m is to 2. Normally हम ये लेते हैं, ठीक है? अब if we will solve a question by taking m1 is to m2, तो हमारे पास 2 variables होते हैं, तो हमारी calculation increase हो जाती है, ठीक है?
यस सर।
So in place in and better, it is better if we will take in this one, whenever we need to write the ratio, then we can take it like this, x2 comma y2. इसको हम ले लेते हैं case 2 1, ठीक है? अब case 2 1 लेंगे जब हम इसको solve करेंगे, this point will be given, this point will be given, and this will be given. तो हमारी कैलकुलेशन काफी ज्यादा रिड्यूस हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस वन अगर हम लेते हैं x is equal to then m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2, ठीक है? अब सपोज वी विल डिवाइड दिस न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर with m2. So ये आ गया हमारे पास m1 by m2 x2 plus m2 by m2 x1 by m1 by m2 and plus m2 by m2. So this will give us x is equal to m1 by m2 x2 plus x1, ठीक है? There is x1 by m1 by m2 plus this is 1, and this m1 by m2, this can be written as k, so this will give us x is equal to k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1. Okay, Noma?
यस सर।
So ये जो k आता है, that is from here.
ओके सर।
Okay. Noma, any other doubt?
सर एक बार लास्ट स्लाइड दिखा दीजिए।
Okay, very good. इस पर स्ट्रेट लाइन आपका हुआ ही कंप्लीट?
यस सर।
मिसलेनियस भी?
यस सर।
ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, इस पर फिर अब जल्दी कंप्लीट करना है. अच्छा, इस पर और कितने चैप्टर्स हो गए स्कूल में?
सर एक वो क्यूबिक सर्कल सेक्शन वाला हो गया।
कॉनिक सेक्शन?
यस सर, कॉनिक सेक्शन।
बट वो तो टर्म सेकंड में है.
सर टर्म 1 के तो सारे हो गए चैप्टर्स।
ओके, एग्जाम में कितने आ रहे हैं चैप्टर्स?
सर एग्जाम में आने हैं चैप्टर 1 2 5 9 10 13 15।
9 13 एंड 15 है ना? ओके, कॉनिक सेक्शन नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है. इस पर बट प्लीज होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट कि नेक्स्ट संडे तक, संडे मींस 17 तक हम ये कंप्लीट कर लें अपना स्टार्ट्स एंड लिमिट्स एंड डेरिवेटिव, स्टार्ट्स एंड लिमिट्स, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
नोमा एंड
मिसलेनियस के लास्ट के 4 क्वेश्चंस में डाउट था।
ओके, मिसलेनियस लास्ट 4 क्वेश्चन. नोमा, आई विल गिव यू द हिंट. ओके,
ओके सर।
सो
सर आप बाद में करवा दीजिएगा सर, अभी चैप्टर 9 कंटिन्यू कर लेते हैं।
ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू. सो वी आर डूइंग द सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज एंड हमने जीपी कर लिया था. वी हैव डन द फॉर्मूला एंड आपने कहाँ तक क्वेश्चंस ट्राई किए हैं सबने? एक्सरसाइज 9.3 अप टू क्वेश्चन 17 ट्राई कर लिए?
सर 15 तक किया है मैंने।
ओके, 15 के, ठीक है. देन ट्राई, प्लीज ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, एक्सरसाइज 9.3. find a GP, find a GP with A is equal to 7 to 9 and 7 term and 7th term is 64 Sorry. Okay, we are doing find a GP. Sorry. For which sum of the first two terms is -4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third. Okay, find a GP for which the sum of the first two term is -4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. Please try this question. If anyone have any doubt, then you can tell me. I will solve this question.
सर ये करके दिखा दीजिए.
सर एक बार हिंट दे दीजिए, मैं ट्राई करके बताती हूँ.
Okay, okay.
अभी मत करेंगे.
Okay, very good. So find a GP for which the sum of the first two term. Okay, Noma, so what does this mean? Sum of first two term?
A1 plus A2 is equal to -4.
A1 plus A2 is equal to -4. And the fifth term is A5 is equal to 4 times the third term.
Yes sir.
Okay.
सर मेरा ए और आर दोनों आ गए.
Okay, दोनों आ गए. Very good, Sparsh. So Sparsh, find the GP then. Write the three terms. ठीक है? Three term find करना है, just write dot.
ओके सर.
Sparsh, answer बताएंगे. What is the first term? Sparsh, what is the first term?
सर -4/3 and 4.
-4 by 3 and 4. Okay, very good. And common ratio?
So common ratio is +-2.
Common ratio is +-2. Okay. Okay, Sparsh. Good.
सर इतना तो मैंने कर लिया था, उसके आगे क्या करना है?
Okay, just put the value. Okay, let the first term be A, common ratio be R. So can we write A plus AR is equal to -4? And similarly, we
Yes,
can
sir.
write AR to the power 4 is equal to 4 times of AR square.
Sir done.
Okay, Sparsh, very good. So Noma, from this you can find the value of R.
Yes sir, अब हो जाएगा.
Okay, Sparsh, what is the final answer?
सर मेरी जीपी आई है -4/3 comma minus 8/3, comma minus 16/3.
Very good. Another one.
4, comma minus 8, comma 16, comma minus 32, comma and so
Okay,
on.
okay. Spush, very good.
64.
Namra and Noma, please share your answer once you complete this.
सर मेरी एक की दो वैल्यू है, a is equal to 4, a is equal to minus 4/3.
Okay, let me check. So this r square and this will cancel. So you will get r square is equal to 4 and you will get r is equal to plus minus 2. Okay. Let this be 1. Put r is equal to plus minus 2 in 1. So first we'll put 1 by 1. Put r in first. So we'll get a plus ar is equal to minus 4. So we'll get a plus 2a is equal to minus 4 and we will get a is equal to minus 4/3. Next put r is equal to minus 2 in first. So you will get a plus r, a plus a into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So this will gives you minus a is equal to minus 4 and from this you will get a is equal to 4. So Namra, you are getting the same answer?
Yes sir.
Okay, then from this one, from this minus 4/3, in this case, the common ratio is 2. So our first term is minus 4/3. What is the second term? 2 into this, minus 8/3. Next term, 2 into this, minus 16/3. Okay,
Sir,
Noma?
done.
Done. Very good. Noma, this clear?
Yes, sir.
And from this, r is this and a is this. So first term is 4. Second is minus 8. Next is minus 2 into this, 16, and so on. Okay, so Namra and Noma, both are getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So we will try a next question. Question is find the sum to n terms of the sequence 8, 88, 888, 4 times 8, and so on. Okay. Please try to solve this question for 3 minutes. Then I will help you in this.
सर यहाँ पे तो मेंशन नहीं है कि ये एपी या फिर जीपी।
कुछ भी मेंशन नहीं है। प्लीज ट्राई दिस, फिर मैं आपकी हेल्प करता हूँ।
ओके सर।
सर
जी
सर इसका रेशियो क्या आएगा?
इसका रेशियो क्या होगा? ओके आई विल हेल्प यू. सो इन दिस केस
सर वो मेरे नेटवर्क इश्यूज है सर, आप अपनी वीडियो ऑफ कर लीजिए.
ओके ठीक है. Find the sum to n terms of the sequence. So we need to find the sum, and Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 4 times 8 and so on. Okay. So Sn is equal to, in these types of question अगर हम check करते हैं, so there is some relation between all the terms, but ये GP नहीं है. Related to GP है, but this is not a GP. है ना? So हम अगर divide करते हैं, we will get 11, 111 and 4 times. So in these types of question, if you have any number, for example, वो आपको 7 देता है, 6 देता है, 6 plus 666, 666, you need to use the same method. So what you need to do, take 8 common in all these terms. Okay. So in all these one, take 8 common. So this will give you 1. So ये कहाँ तक है? Up to n terms. To n terms. So take 8 common, so you will get 1 plus 1 1 plus 111 plus 4 times 1 plus and so on to n terms. So Sn is equal to, okay, this is the first step. Whatever the number you have over here, take that common. Next is multiply and divide with 9. Always multiply and divide with 9. 8 by 9 into 9 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 4 times 1 and so on up to n terms. After this, Sn is equal to 8 by 9. Multiply this with 9. So you will get 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 4 times 9 plus 2.
सर हमने 9 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड क्यों किया?
अभी देखते हैं स्पर्श. ठीक है. In all these types of question, always you need to multiply and divide with 9 after taking that number common. 8 by 9. Okay. 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 ठीक है. Very good. Now, in place of 9 Sparsh, we can write 10 minus 1. Similarly, in place of 99, we can write 100 minus 1. In place of 999, we can write 1000 minus 1. In place of 4 times 9, we can write 4 minus 1 plus 2 n terms. Okay, Sparsh?
सर फिर तो हम स्टार्टिंग में भी मतलब सबसे ऊपर वाली लाइन में 10 minus 2 लिख सकते थे.
And next क्या लिखते फिर? Sparsh, next number क्या होता है?
10 minus 22.
हाँ, वो मैच नहीं होता, इसलिए हमने वहां नहीं किया. Now separate this 10, 100 and 1000. So you can write 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 to n terms. Okay, then plus separate this negative minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n terms. Now we can write Sn is equal to, this is 8 by 9. Now, especially, can you tell me what type of sequence is this?
GP
10 plus 10
Yeah.
square plus 10 cube.
This is a GP.
Yes, sir.
We can apply the formula. Formula is 10. What is the common ratio, Sparsh?
So 10.
10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. And this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 up to n terms. So this can be written as n minus n. So you can write as minus n. So finally, we will get Sn is equal to 8 by 9. And you will get over here 10 minus 1. This is 10 by 9. 10 to the power n minus 1 minus n. So is the answer. This clear, Sparsh? Sparsh and Namra, this clear?
yes sir.
Okay. Okay, so in these types of questions, and these are very important questions. Normally exam में आ जाते हैं questions. So in these types of question, always take that number common, multiply and divide with 9. ठीक है? Then we need to solve it. इस पर सब clear हो गया? क्यों हमने 9 से multiply and divide किया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. So please note down this, and then we will start the next question.
सर इस क्वेश्चन का डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी तो बन सकता है ना?
जी कर सकते हैं, बट हमें कंप्लीट शो करना
क्यों आया तो
चाहिए, क्योंकि नॉर्मल सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैं, फॉर्मूला हो सकते हैं, बट वी कांट यूज दैट, है ना? हमें कंप्लीट शो करना होगा.
ओके सर.
Please confirm me once you noted this, then we will start the next type.
Sir, done.
Okay, Namra, this completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will start the next type. Next is geometric mean. Geometric mean. So what is the geometric mean? The geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B is the number under root A. Okay, so what does this mean? Suppose we have two numbers A and B, and between these two numbers we need to insert a number such that the resulting sequence will be in GP. Okay, जैसे हमने AP में किया था, same we will do it over here. We have two numbers. We need to insert a number so that the resulting sequence will be in GP. If this is in GP, then the common ratio will be same. So this means x by A is equal to B by X. Cross multiply, you will get x square is equal to AB. And finally, you will get x is equal to under root of AB. So whenever we have two numbers A and B, and we need to find the geometric mean between them, then we will use the formula x is equal to under root of AB. Okay, Namra, Noma, and Sparsh, this clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down this. We will try to do one question.
Sir, ये एक बार दोबारा बता दो last वाला.
Sparsh, हमें between A and B to we need to insert a number between A and B so that the resulting sequence will be in GP. So GP में क्या होता है? यहाँ से अगर हम common ratio find करते हैं, स्पर्श कितना आएगा common ratio?
Sir, x upon A.
Very good. And from this?
Sir, B upon X.
So common ratio तो same होता है,
Yes.
है ना? So x by is equal to B by X.
Okay, sir.
है ना? हमने cross multiply किया, we get x square is equal to AB, and finally we will get x is equal to under root of AB.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so please note down this, and then we will start one question.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay. So question is, find the geometric mean between 3 and 27. Okay, please try this.
Sir, done.
Okay, Sparsh, what's the answer?
Sir, 9.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Number-
9.
Okay. Noma, getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So next our topic is insertion of n numbers between A and B so that resulting sequence will be in GP. Okay, so we have two numbers A and B, and between them we need to insert n numbers. So G1, G2, G3 up to Gn, and this sequence will be in GP. So number, can you tell me what are the total terms over here?
N plus A plus B.
N plus A plus B. So can we say n plus 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so A n plus 2. So can you tell me what is the n plus 2th term?
Can you repeat?
Yes. What is the n plus 2th term? What is the n plus 2 term?
Sir, B.
The whole B, a B.
Very good. B. Okay. So n plus 2 terms means the last term. So last term is B. And now put the formula. We have this an plus 2 is equal to B. Now an plus 2 means we have this formula an is equal to AR n minus 1. In the bracket we will write the formula an is equal to AR n minus 1. So we will assume let the common ratio be R. Okay, so an plus 2 will give us A into R. In place of n we will write n plus 2 minus 1. So an plus 2 is equal to A R n plus 1. Okay, this clear? An plus 2 is equal to AR n plus 1. Number Noma and Spush. This one is clear?
Yes, sir.
Noma
Yes.
and okay. Noma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so an plus 2 means this is B. B is equal to A R n plus 1. So B by A is equal to R n plus 1. So R n plus 1 is equal to B by A. R is equal to B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So if we need to find the common ratio, two terms are given and we need to insert n numbers between them, then first of all we will find the common ratio by using this formula B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1. So if we get the common ratio, then we can find the second term. Second term will be A into R. Similarly, third term, fourth term. So we can say that G1 will be equal to 1 minute. G1 will be equal to A into R. Similarly, G2 is equal to AR square and so on. So this clear? Number no minus push.
सर B by A की जो power है वो 1 by n plus 1 है ना?
G 1 by n plus 1.
सर ये कैसे हुआ?
सर आपने B by A की पावर 1 by n plus 1 कैसे लिखी?
इतना clear है? R to the power n plus 1 is equal to B by A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have a R square is equal to 4. Then R क्या हो जाता है? R is 4 to the power 1 by 2, which is called a square root.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. ठीक है
Yes.
Noma, this. Okay. So please note
आंसर
down this.
आपने यहाँ पे an plus 2 को b क्यों लिया?
Okay. नंबर इसमें लास्ट टर्म हमारी b है ना, एंड n plus 2 का मतलब क्या है? लास्ट टर्म
Yes, sir.
है ना. So n plus 2 means b.
Yes, sir. आंसर लास्ट स्लाइड करिएगा एक बार.
Okay.
सो वहाँ पे जो है नंबर्स बिटवीन कहा था, तो फिर सर हम यहाँ पे हम 3 and 27 को इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे ना?
नहीं करेंगे। 3 and 27 के between 3 and 27 we need to find it out.
सर तो फिर हम ए बी की जगह 4 and 26 लिख सकते हैं?
नहीं, between 3 बिल्कुल नहीं लिख सकते। between 3 and 27 का मतलब this is 3, this is 27, इनके between में लिखना है। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं, इसका मतलब ये कि आप 3 नहीं कहते हैं, आप ये नहीं कहते हैं that 3 is the term of 27 between this।
यस सर।
क्लियर वो?
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए।
between 3 and 27 कह रहा है, you need to find the ज्योमेट्रिक मीन between 3 and 27। तो इसका मतलब है आप जो आंसर फाइंड कर रहे हैं वो 3 नहीं होना चाहिए, 27 नहीं होना चाहिए, between 3 and 27 होना चाहिए।
ओके सर।
So please note down this, confirm me, then I will give you one question.
Sir, done.
Okay. Namra and Noma, please confirm.
सर डूइंग।
Okay.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी,
Jinibra.
सर मुझे इनइक्वालिटी वाला चैप्टर पढ़ना था, तो आप कोई एक्स्ट्रा क्लास ले लेंगे? बिकॉज अभी हमें केवीपीवाई देना था, तो मेरा वो चैप्टर बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ, तो मैं दूसरे क्वेश्चंस कर रही थी तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहे थे।
बच्चे कब है
यस
आपका
सर, मुझे भी
केवी?
करना था वन चैप्टर।
मुझे भी एक बैच में हमने किया है कंप्लीट। केवीपीवाई कब है आपका?
सर 7 नवंबर।
Okay. जो अभी रिसेंटली हुआ है, ठीक है। आप मुझे कल रिमाइंड करवाइएगा। हम देखते हैं फिर कैसे हो सकता है वो।
Yes.
ठीक है, ओके।
सर आप बस 4 to 5:30 मंडे टू फ्राइडे छोड़ के किसी भी टाइम ले लीजिए क्लास, मैं अवेलेबल होती हूँ।
ओके, ठीक है बच्चे, अभी आई विल टेल यू टुमारो अबाउट दिस। ओके। सो दिस डन, स्टार्ट करें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर डन।
Okay.
Done.
Then try this question. Insert three numbers. Insert three numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is a GP. Okay, please try this question.
सर 256 टू द पावर 1/6 को हम और सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करेंगे?
बच्चे LCM मेथड से किया करिए, ठीक है। 256 इसको फैक्टराइज कीजिए। ठीक, now try to solve it.
Sir, R हम निकालते हैं B upon A power 1 upon n plus 1, तो हम
1 by
B लेंगे या फिर 5 लेंगे?
n, आप बताइए क्या लेंगे? n
Sir, total terms तो 5।
हाँ, we will check this। n क्या था जो हमने नंबर्स इंसर्ट किए थे?
ओके सर, 3 लेंगे।
हम 3 लेंगे, ठीक है। सो इन दिस केस r is equal to 256 by 1 to the power 1 by, हमें 3 नंबर इंसर्ट करना है, plus 1, so we get r is equal to 256 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, now please try to solve it.
सर डन।
Okay, very good. Okay, So, number of Noma, what is the answer?
Sir, 4.
4. Okay, very good. Then please find the remaining terms. Please find the remaining terms. You need to find the 3 numbers. ठीक है, R आपने find कर लिया. So to the power 4. So one pair is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this. So यहाँ से एक 2 लिया, and this is 2. Then from this 2. Sorry. So we will write this. R is equal to, this can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 raised power 8. Power 1 by 4. So this will gives you R is equal to 2 raised power 8 by 4. R is equal to 2 square. So this will give us R is equal to 4. So R is equal to 4 is the answer. So please find G1, G2 and G3.
Sir, G1 is 4 and G2 is 16 and G3 is 64.
Very good. G1 is 4. Okay. And this is 16 and this is 64. So Noma and Abra, you are getting the same answer.
G2 16 कैसे आएगा?
G2 क्या होगा? 4 into this. G1 क्या होगा? G1 is A into R. G2 क्या होगा? G1 into R.
सर तो फिर A तो हमारा 3 है ना, तो फिर सर
A1 बचे कहाँ 3 है हमारा? What is the first term? What is A? Sorry.
सर 1 है. ओके सर.
नब्रा ये कंप्लीट हो गया. Noma and Nambra, please confirm me once you
Yes
done
sir,
this.
done.
Okay. Nambra, this done?
Yes.
Okay. So please try this question. Okay. Same question was there in AP. अब यहाँ भी है. Find the value of n. Find the value of n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by a to the power n plus b to the power n is the geometric mean between a and b, between a and okay. Please try this question.
सर यहाँ पे हम R A to the power n plus 1 plus b लेंगे.
Find the value of n so that this is the geometric mean between A and B. So, Noma, what is the geometric mean between A and B?
b upon a to the power 1 upon n plus 1.
अंडर रूट एक भी होएगा ना?
Under root AB.
Yes, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
सर एक बार स्टार्टिंग पे थोड़ा सा बता दो कैसे होगा?
ओके स्पर्श, ये हमने AB में सेम क्वेश्चन किया था. सो AN plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n is the geometric mean between A and B is equal to under root of AB. Okay.
यस सर.
So this can be written as A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 by A to the power n plus B to the power n is equal to AB 1 by 2. Now cross multiply, add the power, subtract the power and solve. ठीक है स्पर्श?
सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना?
Now cross multiply.
ओके सर. सर ये सोल्व नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Okay, Sparsh, I will do this. So cross multiply this, you will get a n plus 1 plus b n plus 1, and this is equal to ab half into a to the power n plus b to the power n. So a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 is equal to, multiply this. So ab to the power half means a 1 by 2 and b 1 by 2. B half into a to the power n plus a half into b half to b to the power n. So this will give a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1. Okay, then at this side we have a to the power n. Here we have a to the power 1. So we'll shift this complete to the left side. Here we have b to the power n. So we'll shift this to the right side. So this will give us minus a to the power half, b to the power half, a to the power n is equal to a half, b half, b to the power n minus b to the power n plus 1. A to the power n into 1 minus a half, b half, a to the power n is equal to a half, b half, b to the power n minus b to the power n into b. So from this, take a to the power n common. And Sparsh, can you tell me what we can take common from this? A to the power n into?
Sir, into a.
नहीं, a तो नहीं है. A to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, Sparsh?
Yes, sir. A to
Here-
the power 1 by 2 बच जाएगा ना sir?
Here we will get a to the power 1 by 2. Minus we will get b to the power 1 by 2. And Sparsh, can you tell me what we can take common from this?
So b to the power 1 by 2 and b power
b
n.
to b to the power n and b to the power 1 by 2. Very good. So we'll get a to the power 1 by 2 minus b to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so this can be cancelled. Sparsh.
Yes, sir.
So we can write a to the power n into a to the power 1 by 2 is equal to b to the power n into b to the power 1 by 2. So this shift over here, a to the power n by b to the power n, b half by a half. And we can write a by b to the power n, and this is equal to b by a to the power half. A by b to the power n is equal to, this can be right, a by b to the power minus half. So can we say n is equal to minus 1 by 2? This clear, Sparsh?
Yes, sir. सर आपने माइनस हाफ कैसे किया?
Sparsh ये ना b by a. So अगर हम इसको रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं तो पावर नेगेटिव होती है.
सो पावर नेगेटिव हो जाती है तब.
a to the power minus 1 का मतलब क्या होता है, Sparsh?
सर 1 upon a.
1. Okay, I will write minus 2. What is mean by this?
Sir 1 upon a power 1 upon a square.
1 by a square, or we can write 1 by a whole square.
Yes, sir.
So अगर हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर रहे हैं तो ये -2 होगा.
Okay, sir.
No man number, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number, this clear? Number, you can reply me on the chat box if you have some network issue.
I have understood, sir.
Okay, good. Please confirm me once you note this. I will start the next question. Next type, sorry.
Sir, done.
Okay, Spursha number, please confirm.
Sir, done.
Okay, number this completed. Number this done. Number, please confirm me on the chat box. Then we will start the next time.
Written, sir.
Okay. Next topic is relationship between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Okay. So ये derivation कुछ exams में आ जाती है. ठीक है. So ये derivation आपको करना है. They asked me in the exam that drive the relationship between the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. Okay. Let A and G be arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two given positive real numbers A and B. Okay, we have assumed that A is the arithmetic mean and G is the geometric mean between two given real number A and B. So A is equal to A plus B by 2 and G is equal to under root of A. Now if we find A minus G, then this will gives A plus A minus G is equal to A plus B by 2 minus under root A. This clear? Number no minus push.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and number this clear? So this is A minus G is equal to, take the LCM is 2. So A plus B minus 2 root AB. Okay, so we can write A minus G. This is equal to, now can we write this as under root A square plus under root B square minus 2 under root AB by 2. So this is A minus G. And what is this? Root A minus root B whole square by 2. Number and Spush
सर
and
आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया?
मुझे इतना clear था this one.
Yes, sir.
So अब हमने क्या किया? We have written this A as under root A square, B as under root B square, and this is minus 2 root AB.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So we can say this is A minus B whole square formula.
Yes, sir.
Now we can write A. Okay. Now in case root A and this root B are equal, then we will get 0. This is correct? This is correct? If A and B are equal, then we will get 0.
Yes, sir.
And this complete part is always positive. This can't be negative. Why? Because 2 is positive and this is a square. So this is always positive. So can we say that A minus G should be greater than or equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
This clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
we can say that A is greater than or equal to G. So this is the relationship between the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean, that the arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to the geometric mean. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please note down
Yes.
this. Note down this.
सर अभी आपने कहा था कि जो है इसको आरएचएस साइड को ग्रेटर देन 0 होना चाहिए, तो फिर सर आपने इक्वल टू का क्यों साइन लगाया?
Greater than equal to. No, ma. In case A is equal to B, if we put A is equal to B, then this becomes 0.
यस सर.
है ना, पॉसिबिलिटी देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है. If we put A is equal to B, this will become 0. That's why we have written equal to. Now this is positive. This always remain positive. Next possibility क्या है? यहाँ कोई भी value हम put कर सकते हैं. So we will do the square. So we will check that this is positive. So this is greater than.
यस सर, बट इक्वल टू 0 क्यों है? क्योंकि सर
Equal to 0. नहीं, equal to 0 कब होगा? In case A is equal to B अगर हम यहाँ put करते हैं, आप A and B की प्लेस पे कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो सपोज इफ I will ask you that put A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then what you will get over here? 0. That's why हमने लिख दिया equal to 0. और greater क्यों होगा? Greater होगा because ये square है, so this will give us a positive answer. So this answer can be या तो greater than होगा और equal to होगा.
ओके सर.
Okay, this completed.
Yes, sir, done.
यस सर, डन.
Okay, Namra, this done.
Yes.
Okay, so आज हम इतना ही करेंगे. Topics, we have almost completed all the topics of this chapter. ठीक है, almost we have completed all the topics. Now your homework is first of all exercise 9.2 complete करना है. In 9.3 complete exercise. Okay, we have done all the topics. Please complete this, and tomorrow we will discuss your doubts, and if you will get the time, we will start the new chapter. ठीक है, आपके doubts के बाद हमारे पास जितना भी time होगा, we will start the stats. Now, next thing is page number 191. There's a very good example, example 18. इसको भी करना है. Example 18 plus miscellaneous करना है. Miscellaneous अब आप कर सकते हैं. Complete miscellaneous है. Last time जो मैंने question बताए थे आपको कि वो नहीं करने, leave that question and complete the miscellaneous exercise. Then we
Sir,
will start.
miscellaneous exercise में omit part में से कुछ भी नहीं है.
Miscellaneous में से है ना 25th and 26th.
25th and 26th only.
Okay, 25th and 26th ये नहीं करना है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, ये सीरीज बेस्ड है and remaining part आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, फिर कल आपके डाउट डिस्कस करते हैं. बट बच्चे प्लीज डू द होमवर्क क्योंकि हम काफी स्पीड.
क्वेश्चन से 24 तक ही है.
ओके, आपकी बुक में 24 तक है.
Yes, sir.
कि एडिशन चेक करेंगे यहाँ स्पर्श कौन सा एडिशन है. कोई बात नहीं स्पर्श अभी.
ओके सर. सर मेरे में 9.4 के बाद चैप्टर 10 की मिसलेनियस है, चैप्टर 9 की नहीं है मेरी बुक में.
अच्छा, तो फिर वो थोड़ा सा ना कुछ बुक में प्रॉब्लम होगी. आप चेक
page-
कीजिएगा उस. हाँ, पेजेस आगे पीछे हैं तो उसने बाद में कहीं दे दिया होगा. ठीक है, तो
Okay,
उसको
sir.
प्लीज ढूंढिएगा आप. मिसलेनियस में 25 26 नहीं करना है, रिमेनिंग करना है. और हाँ, हम काफी स्पीड में कर रहे हैं तो बच्चे प्लीज होमवर्क कीजिए. ठीक है, वरना ऐसे पे नहीं हो पाएगा. कल हम स्टार्ट करेंगे आपका फिर और पहले का रह जाएगा. ठीक,
सर हमें सप्लीमेंट्री पार्ट भी करना है.
सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज नहीं करना. ये लास्ट टाइम आई गेस सीक्वेंस सीरीज तो बता दिया था आपको. बैक में जो भी पोर्शन है वो नहीं करना है आपको.
सर मैंने मार्क नहीं किया था शायद.
अच्छा मार्क नहीं किया,
सर तो
ठीक
वो
है फिर।
डिलीट हो गया इनफाइनाइट जीपी।
जी जी जी, वो डिलीट हो गया, उसको नहीं कर रहा है।
ओके सर। एंड सर
ठीक।
कल कितने बजे क्लास होगी?
5:30 जी, 5:30 करते हैं क्योंकि आपके डाउट्स के लिए भी ज्यादा टाइम चाहिए हमें। 5:30 to 7:30। ओके, बट मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा आप सब होमवर्क कर लेंगे।
सर एक्चुअली अभी मेरे पेपर चल रहे हैं तो फिर सर अभी मंडे को केमिस्ट्री का है।
ओके ओके, नो मैन नॉट इशू, फिर आपके लिए इशू नहीं है, बट नम्रा एंड स्पर्श प्लीज आप होमवर्क कीजिएगा।
ओके सर।
ठीक,
ओके सर।
ओके ओके, यू वेलकम।
सर
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, यू वेलकम।